Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Are you like me? Are you afraid that scratches, stone chips, and road debris ruins your car paint? So you install PPF. In this video, I'll be sharing about what to do and what not to do after installing PPF and how to maintain your PPF. Hey there, my name is Fabian and I'm from P10X. Okay, let's start with the boring stuff first, the warranty. So, warranty actually covers air bubbles, cracking and lifting of edges that form after the process. But hold your horses, mate, because intentional damage, accidents, yellowing and watermarks are not covered under the PPF warranty. So, if you're gonna go all fast and furious on your PPF, you're on your own, buddy.
This is your car. My car?
Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. The guidelines and restrictions in maintaining your PPF. So, for the first 14 days of installing your PPF, be sure to treat your car like a newborn, fragile baby. So, don't use chemicals or high pressure wash or face the wrath of the PPF gods. Also, don't spray directly onto the edges where it may cause the PPF to lift unless you want your car to look like it's wearing a bad wig. Alright, now we have done with all the serious stuff. Let's take a look at how to keep your PPF looking fresh and fly. Firstly, avoid automatic car washes like the plague. I mean, have you seen those machines? They are like giant monsters with brushes for arms waiting to scratch up your car. Instead, bring your car to a trusted and reliable hand wash. Your car will thank you for that. It is always important to keep your car clean, free from contaminants like bird poop and also road tar. Trust me, your PPF won't be able to handle the smell and neither will you. Use a gentle soap solution and a microfiber towel to clean your car and avoid using any abrasive or harsh chemicals. Well folks, that's all for today's maintenance guide. Remember, treat your PPF well and it will protect your car like a superhero. But abuse it and it will be a kryptonite for your car. Stay safe and happy driving.